In this lesson we will see how to draw a ground floor plan. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have to activate a line command. Okay, so let us see how much is the dimension in the y direction. For example, here this is the y direction and this is the x direction. Okay, so in y direction, how much is this? To measure, you have to select this icons and right click here, left click here and left click here, and you will see here this is almost 38 feet 6 inch. Okay, so take a line command. To take the line command directly, you can click on this icon or enter L and right click on the mouse. Okay, so you can see the line command has been activated. After that, click anywhere on the workspace and drag upward and put 38 feet 6 inch as a dimension and enter, and you can see here this line has been created. After that, exit this command by clicking on escape button in the keyboard. After that, let us take the dimension in the x direction. Okay, so clicking here up to here is how much? 24 feet. Okay, so draw a line 24 feet. Again, I am taking line command and clicking here, and I have to draw 24 feet, enter, and you can see this 24 feet has been created. After that, drag at this level and click here and join this line, and you can see here this outline of this plan has been created. After that, and you can see here this is 10-inch wall and this is 5-inch wall. Okay, so we have to create 10-inch wall and 5-inch wall as well. So to create a 10-inch wall, we have to take offset command. Okay, so to take offset command, click enter O and right click on the mouse button, and we have to specify offset distance. So I have to draw 10-inch, enter. So click at this object and click this side. If you want to take offset this side, then you have to click this and click on this side. So I want to offset this object also, so I will take this and click on this side. It will create 10-inch wall. After that, I have to create offset of this object also and this object also. Okay, now exit this command. After that, we have to draw a 5-inch wall from a distance of from here to here 14 feet 3 inch. So take dimension, take offset of this object 14. How much is 14 feet 3 inch? So I am taking here offset command and 14 feet 3 inch. So click on this object and click this side. Okay, and you can see here this line has been created at a 14 feet 3 inch, and beside this there is a 5-inch wall. Okay, so I will take offset of 5 inch at this side. Okay, so 5 inch, again click here and give 5-inch offset and click here. You can see 5 inch has been created. Again, from this wall to this wall, from this wall to this wall is how much? 12 feet 5 inch. So give the offset of this wall 12 feet and 5 inch. Okay, so after entering we will get a wall, and from this side wall is 5 inch at this side. So I will take 5 inch at this one, at this side, enter and click here, and you can see here 5-inch wall has been created. After that, we have to create this wall of 10 inch. Okay, so first of all we have to measure it from here to here is how much? 5 feet 5 inch. Okay, so again take offset. Okay, 5 feet 5 inch. So I am taking offset command 5 feet 5 inch, enter, and you will get a line 5 feet 5 inch. And again this wall is how much? 10 inch. So I will take offset of 10 inch, enter at this side. Okay, so you can see all the wall from this side has been created. After that, we have to create this middle wall. Okay, so middle wall is how much? Middle wall is first of all exit this command, and middle wall is how much? You can see from this corner up to here the middle wall is how much? We have to measure it. Okay, so take here from here to here, this is 10 feet 9 inch. Okay, so give the offset command and 10 feet 9 inch. Okay, and select this object and click on this side, and you can see this wall has been created. After this wall is also how much? 5 inch. So give object, select this object and give offset of 5 inch, enter, and you can see here 5-inch wall has been created. Now one thing you can see here, door and here door. Okay, so the line is on the same path, so you can give a offset of door size. Okay, so door size is generally 2.5 feet. Okay, so I am again giving a offset command and 2 feet 5 inch or 6 inch. Okay, so from here I want to give this size. Okay, so now you can see this all door has been open, so you have to trim, you have to take a trim command. So input tr and double click on the right side of the mouse. Okay, now you can trim easily. Okay, so I am trimming, you can see here there is a door, so trim this by selecting. Okay, trim this also, and after that trim this also, after that trim this line also, after that you can trim this line also. Okay, after that there is also not a line, so trim this also, and you have to trim this also, and this also. After that you have to trim this also. Okay, after that you can see there is no wall in this section, so you can delete this. So click here and delete it. Okay, so you can see our plan has been created. After that you can see a column has been placed at the corner of the room. Okay, so you have to create a column. For example, the dimension of the column is how much? From here to here is 1 feet. Okay, and again from here to here is how much? 1 feet. Okay, so 1 feet by 1 feet column we have to create. So take rectangular command, so input rec and right click on the mouse. So I have to take in x direction 1 feet and comma and 1 feet, enter, and you can see the column has been created.